would have been terrified.
They're not that bad.
The day we learned about
Yeah, ask
tornadoes in
Greensburg
school,
or Joplin.
the day we learned about tornadoes in school, I got back home and I told my mother we have to move to a house with a basement now, because I refuse to die that way. To get spun up and thrown around in the sky, we need to be underground.
We had very different childhoods. Because
You
I
had
was
a
like,
dad and people who loved you. My mom was just like,
because they were like,
fuck.
if you don't have a basement, go into the bathroom. I was like, some people don't have a basement?
Yeah.